Hey guys, it's Benny here from the ABA, coming to you live from Melbourne in Victoria, where today we're about to announce the winner of the 2016-17 Nomad Bodyboards Big Wave Awards winner, presented by Emerald. Let's check in with him now. Harley Ward, it's Benny from the ABA. How are you, mate?
Yeah, good, mate. How are you?
Good. Mate, we hope we haven't caught you at a bad time. We're coming to you live from Melbourne, where we've just announced the winner for the Nomad Big Wave Awards presented by Emerald. Congratulations, buddy. You're the 2016-17 winner. How do you feel?
No way. I'm so stoked. That's epic.
Mate, yeah, congratulations on behalf of everyone at the ABA. Mate, tell us a little bit about the wave and yeah, how winning this is going to obviously put you forward for next year.
Wow, thanks so much, guys. Yeah, well, it was definitely the biggest wave of my life. It was in April this year. It was a pretty big, gnarly day. We sort of hung around on the rocks all day just watching it because it was pretty much unsurfable. And then in the afternoon, the tide sort of filled in and the period got a bit shorter. We went out for a look and yeah, I only caught like 3 waves, but yeah, lucked into that one, which yeah, was by far the biggest wave of my life, and yeah, so stoked.
Mate, that's fantastic. And how do you think this is going to push you forward to the future for big wave surfing?
Yeah, definitely pushing me. Yeah, we went down there today actually. It wasn't that big, but yeah, it was pretty good. There was definitely some good waves, and I'm looking forward to seeing what goes on around the world, big wave surfing, big wave bodyboarding in the next few years.
Excellent, mate.
Awesome.
No worries. Thanks so much for your time. All right, guys.
No worries, guys. Thanks heaps. I'm so stoked. Legends.
See you, Harley.
Yeah.
All right, guys. So don't forget to follow us live on Facebook, also through our website, www.abatour.com.au.